Today I'm going to show you how to unban your banned Twitter account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First you will need to go to your Chrome browser. Then here in the Chrome browser search for the twitter.com. Once you are there in your Twitter account, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. After that this menu will appear. Now from here you have to click on the settings and sport option at the bottom. It will further open a menu. Now you have to click on the help center option. After that it will redirect you to this page here. Here you will see an option about suspended accounts at the top. Now you have to click on it. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to scroll down a little bit and go to the option file and appeal. Once you click on it, now it will open a form. As my account is not suspended, so it will not work for me, but if your account is suspended, then it will redirect you to the form. Then you have to fill that form and add your message in the last box. After that you have to click on the submit button to submit your appeal. In your message you have to describe in detail why you think that it is a false decision. After submitting your request within 2 or 3 days, Twitter will unban your account. Additionally, you can also send an email to Twitter support. If you follow this step along the email, then the chances of the unban will be increased. You have to send your email at support@twitter.com. If you follow these two steps, your account will be soon unbanned. So this is how you can unban your banned Twitter account.